Welcome back, students. In this session we'll be dealing with this session will be a continuation of pointers, and in this session we'll be dealing with the do's and the don'ts of the pointers. Okay, so again, with respect to an example, I'll be explaining you what are the do's and the and don'ts of the pointers. Okay, consider a variable declared, okay, of type int, and a pointer declared of type int. Okay, star p is a pointer of type int. Okay, and I'll assign the address of a to the variable to the pointer variable p. Okay, we'll just see the output at this point of time. Okay, at this point of time we'll just see the value of p. Okay, go to the terminal. Okay, this will give you the address of a. Okay, that will be stored in the variable pointer variable p. Okay, so as I had mentioned, I'll be dealing with the do's and the don'ts. So over here you can perform you can perform the increment operation on the pointers. Okay, you can make use of increment operator on the pointers. Okay, like this, like p plus plus is valid. Okay, see out. So after this incrementation we'll just see what the address will be. Okay, over here p is of type int, and it is star p, that is the pointer variable, is of type int, and p has got address of a, and I'm performing increment operation on the pointer. Okay, p. So when I perform p plus plus, we'll just see the result. Initially we need to compile it. Okay, you have a semicolon missing over here. It's clear. Okay, initially the value contained in p is this address. Okay, just observe the last two digits. Okay, this is in hexadecimal. Okay, after performing increment operation. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, over here, as p is a pointer variable of type int. Okay, whenever you perform increment operation, okay, the increment is by 4 bytes. Okay, as it is a integer type. Okay, if you just add 4 to 8, you'll get c in hex. Okay, if you add a value 4 to value 8, you'll get c in hex. So only you have got the value from d8 to dc, because 4 bytes are been added. Okay, the same way you make use of minus minus. Okay, it is decrement. Okay, just save the file, go to the terminal. Now you can see what the decrement operator's effect is on the pointer width. Okay, so over here initially it was 1.8, after performing decrement it is 1.4. Okay, getting my point? So over here you have made use of increment as well as decrement operators on the pointer p, which has got address of a. So over here the values contained in the pointer, the value contained in the pointer, okay, is nothing but address, and whatever increment and decrement is been performed is at the byte level. Okay, it is based on the data type. Okay, if it is of int, then the increment will be of 4 bytes, and decrement will also be of 4 bytes. Now consider over here, if it would have been double or char. Okay, so it would be char. So this increment operation would be something like this. Okay, just see the output. Okay, as it's a char, you'll always get a garbage value, but this increment and decrement operation in with respect to char will be by 1 byte. Okay, if this would have been double, go to the terminal. Here the increment as well as decrement will be by 8. See over here the last two digits. Okay, it is 80, and after performing increment it is 88. Okay, so over here 8 bytes are been added. Okay, so these are the do's. Okay, that you can perform, and one more operation that you can perform is, like, we'll consider to be as int. Okay, you can modify the value. Okay, p equal to p plus some value 50. Okay, this is valid. Okay, it won't give you an error. Just compile it, just see the output. Okay, so this is nothing but 50 being added to the existing address. Okay, this is the result of value 50 getting added to the existing address. Okay, all the addition operation is been performed on the hexadecimal address. Okay, so the same way you can perform a subtraction operation. You can subtract or add a value to or from a pointer. Okay, so over here with respect to minus. Okay, so after decrementing 50 from